Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best pedal exerciser. Through extensive research and testing we've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started with the video. Number 1. Vaunn Medical Folding Pedal Exerciser with Electronic. First and foremost, no assembly is required, consequently, the folding Peddler is ready for use upon delivery. In addition, the folding Peddler is 20 inches long and 15.75 inches wide. Moreover, the pedals reach as high as 12.5 inches above the floor. So, use this data with the buyer's guide section below, titled Height for Use Under a Desk, to determine feasibility of under desk use. Finally, the Peddler, weighing only 5.2 pounds, is very light, especially relevant. The LCD displays exercise time, revolutions per minute, and calories. Most of all, the folding Peddler works out both legs and arms. Next, the Peddler folds instantly. Moreover, the folded size is 15.2 inches long, 11.4 inches wide, and 7.6 inches high. As a result, the compact and lightweight folded exerciser is easy to store and transport. In addition, the folding pedal exerciser's 4-inch wide pedals have adjustable straps that hold the feet to the pedals. Next, the tension knob allows you to adjust the resistance of the workout. However, the tension or resistance is low because the Peddler is meant to provide exercise for medical reasons and not so much to get even a moderate workout. Pros: easy to assemble, lightweight and made of heavy-duty steel, doesn't need electricity for physical therapy. Cons: resistance. Number 2. DeskCycle Under Desk Bike Pedal Exerciser. DeskCycle. DeskCycle has the lowest pedal height compared to the rest of the underdesk bikes available in the market. It comfortably fits a desk as low as just 27 inches. The large pedal fits any shoe size. The adjustable straps also help to adjust the feet properly. Its base is double-weighted, which helps to keep the pedal upwards for easy insertion of the foot. It provides more than twice the resistance range compared to other similar exercise bikes. It has 8 calibrated settings which start from very easy to the most intense level. The pedal motion is smooth and noise-free, therefore apt for office use while working on your project. The magnetic resistance is similar to Magnetrainer's patented resistance. It comfortably burns twice the amount of calories while sitting in front of the desk. The display monitor shows 5 different functions and keeps track of more than 16 hours of activity. It shows the accurate result of burning calories with the help of an online calorie calculator, and displays the time, distance, speed, and scan. This one-size-fits-all machinery is perfect for all sizes and can be used by anyone above the age of 5. Pros: lowest pedal height, only 10 inches. 8 calibrated resistance settings. 5 function displays. Smooth and quiet pedal. Cons: slips. Number 3. Vive Medical Deluxe Folding Exercise Peddler with Electronic. Designed to be extremely portable, the Vive Medical Deluxe Folding Exercise Peddler can easily be kept in small spaces after you use it. This mini exercise bike is designed for people living in small apartments. The best thing about this mini exercise bike is not only its small construction, but you can also fold it. This means that you can even bring it when you are traveling. It includes 4 anti-slip rubber feet that allow the user to get a stable workout while using the Vive Medical Deluxe Folding Exercise Peddler. It can be used not only for your legs but even for your arms. On top of that, this compact cycling machine can be set up in less than 15 seconds. However, who should be buying this product? Keep in mind that it isn't exactly your typical exercise bike. It's more of a therapy exercise bike that was designed for those who are injured and for those who are trying to regain strength from stroke. RPM, calories, and other details about your workout can be seen in the monitor. Unfortunately, this is also something that tends to squeak during your workout, and when you adjust the tension screw, it adds up to the noise even more. Pros: easy to set up, easy to use. Monitor provides all the important information. Perfect for those. Cons: noisy. Number 4. DeskCycle 2 Under Desk Bike Pedal Exerciser with Adjustable. This pedal exerciser with 24 inches long and wide base is one of the most used under-desk pedal exercisers. To find out why, read the detailed review of DeskCycle Mini Pedal Exerciser. It has one of the widest ranges of resistance, 130 watts, which means you will probably never use that level in the office since it's going to make you sweat. But it's a unique feature for pedal exercisers under desk. The resistance mechanism of this pedal exerciser is magnetic, which creates a smooth and quiet pedaling motion. The digital display of this under-desk pedal exerciser shows the important values of your workout. You can track calorie, distance, speed, and scan. You can also use the accurate online calorie calculator provided on DeskCycle.com. Basically, you put your age, height, weight, duration of your workout, the resistance level and the distance, and it tells you exactly how many calories you burnt on this pedal exercise under the desk, with the good solid quality and the lowest pedal height of only 10 inches. DeskCycle is one of the best pedal exercisers in the entire market. The only downside is that it's a leg pedal, so you can use it only for your lower body. Number 5. Vive Pedal Exerciser, Stationary Exercise Leg Peddler. The Vive Pedal Exerciser is known for its compact design that offers great workouts for its users. For starters, it is known for its easy assembly. The quick setup gives you a chance to have it working in no time. Next, you can use it both for your legs and your arms. The pedals even have a groove that is specifically designed for gripping. It also has a strap to keep your feet in place. However, the downside to the pedal is that it doesn't have a wide step. With a 12.5-inch height, it is easy to set up even under the table. Your knees will not be hitting the table or your desk. And also, the base has a non-slip design that ensures the pedal exerciser to stay in place even during intense workouts. But one of the best features for the Vive Pedal Exerciser is the fact that it has an easy-to-read LCD that gives you an idea about your progress from distance to RPM and the calories that you've burned. But the biggest issue that you might encounter is if you are going to have it used by a senior or someone who is trying to recover from a leg injury doing rehab, then this is a good product. Pros: easy to assemble, provides resistance options, compact design. Cons: the resistance. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.